Oh, hey, what it is, what it do. It's your girl, Miss Vicky. Welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you are new. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into this makeup tutorial. I'm just going to start with my lips first. Sometimes I do things backwards, so I just put on my concealer, my lip liner from Wet n Wild. The color is Plum, I believe, so my lipstick is on. Now I'm just going in with my concealer and cleaning up my eyebrows, and I will be back. So now I'm just taking my little fluffy angled brush there and just gonna blend out that concealer under my brow as well as on the top. Boop, ta-da! So now my eyebrows are done. Now I'm just gonna use that same concealer, and it's in the color Banana, by the way. I'm just putting that all over the lid. I'm gonna use this as a base for my eyeshadow. And I'm just gonna use a double-ended brush. I'm gonna use the fluffy side there. This is the brush from Ipsy, and I'm just gonna blend this out all over my lid. Alright, and I did take some of that concealer and applied it to my under eye there, underneath the waterline. And so now I'm going to end with the yellow shade out of my, what is this? Yeah, BH Cosmetics, the 32 palette, I believe. I love this palette. It's all matte. And yeah, I'm just taking this. I'm going to just blend this color out over my entire lid. And I'm also going to take some of that in the inner corner there and underneath my waterline also. Yes. And I also took some of that yellow and blended it out on my outer corner over there as well. Oh, excuse me. And then now I'm gonna take a makeup wipe. These are just my Almay sensitive wipes, and I'm gonna just clean up around my eyes. You know, you'll see. So now it's time to clean up some more and conceal, and I'm taking my Too Faced concealer, and this is in the shade Chestnut. I got this out my BoxyCharm, and boy, this stuff, I love it. Like, this concealer is turned up, okay? And then I'm taking my Real Technique sponge and just blending everything out. And I also forgot to highlight, but that's okay. Okay? So right here, I'm just taking some more of that Revlon Candid Concealer and just brightening up my eyebrows up on the top a little bit more. And then now I'm going with my Hard Candy Translucent Setting Powder and going in and setting everything. Alright, so after I finish setting everything, I'm going to go in with my highlighter, and this right here makes it look like I got on foundation, but I don't. So I'm just taking my highlighter here. This is the cream one from Physicians Formula. I'm just taking that on the bridge of my nose there, cheekbones, Cupid's bow, a little on top of my forehead and all that, and then I'm going to just blend it out. and then set it with my powder highlighter, which is the Ofra. And then I took my Ofra highlighter and I went in my inner corner and underneath my brow. So now I'm going to jump into my Blink eyeshadow palette. It's called Evening Glamour. And I'm going to use the color Eventide and just use that to, you know, bronze a little bit. Okay. Alright, so now we're going in with the eyeliners. I'm going to start off with the black first, and then I'm going in with the NYX Vivid Brights to outline. And this is how we get it, okay? Yeah. Okay, so the eyes are done. Now we're going to jump in with some mascara. This is the one that I'm using. And then I'm going to add some few touches, few more stuffy stuffs, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to add some little dots in my inner corner there with my NYX Vivid's liquid eyeliner. And this color is called Vivid Halo, by the way. And then next I'm going to take this little heart stamper and I'm going to place it like right there near the eyebrow. I got this from Walmart a time ago. It came in like a set of 3. I just like the hearts. And then I'm going back into my BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette and I'm going in with that peach color and just swiping that underneath my waterline. So after I finish blending it out, I'm going to take my Physicians Formula liquid eyeliner and just put some dots right next to that heart and below. Okay, and then I'm going to take my eyelashes there. I love these. They call Sinjuan, okay? And I use the True Glue organic eyelash adhesive. Okay, and then I am going to take my Smashbox setting spray and spray that all over. And boo boo, we is done. Okay, we are done. You feel me? I love this look and I hope you all did too. So yeah, I thank you all so much for watching. Thanks for tuning in. And if the Lord is willing, I will see you in the next one. Chill.